Hi guys, so today I want to show you how to make your own vanilla extract. It's super easy. All you need is vodka and some vanilla beans. You can use any kind of unflavored vodka. You can use the cheap stuff, so save your money. And then the vanilla beans, you can usually order them online if you can't find them locally. There's a few different kinds. These are Mexican vanilla beans, so they have a real bold, smoky kind of flavor. You can also get Madagascar vanilla beans, which are kind of rich and creamy in your vanilla extract. Or you can change it up and try something new with Tahitian vanilla beans, which have a fruity, kind of cherry chocolate flavor to them. To make the vanilla extract, you're going to need an airtight container. I like to use these little bottles I get from Amazon that have a rubber stopper so it stays fresh, but you can use anything that's airtight. To prepare the beans to make the vanilla extract, you're going to start about 1/2 inch down from one end, and you're going to slice the bean in half with a sharp knife. You'll see it makes like a V shape. Once you've sliced your beans, go ahead and put them in your container. I like to use anywhere from 3 to 5 per 8 ounces. If you're not sure how many to use, err on the side of more beans than less. Use a funnel to pour the vodka in the container. Make sure that the vodka covers the vanilla beans completely. After you fill the container with vodka, you can go ahead and seal it. Store it in a cool, dark place, and once a week, give it a little shake. The vanilla extract will be usable within 8 weeks, but if you want to get a good, dark flavor, you can even leave it up to 6 months. If you want to give it as a gift, I have some labels that you can print on sticker paper, and it makes a great gift for anyone that's enthusiastic about cooking. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Until next time, bye-bye.